Okay, so this is number 7. It gives us the equation. It says the tangents to the curve of f at the points P and Q are parallel to the x-axis, where P is to the left of Q. And then for A, we have to calculate the coordinates of P and of Q. So since they're parallel to the x-axis, that means that they have a slope of 0. So we can find the derivative of the equation and then set it equal to 0 to find the point. So the derivative of f of x is 3x squared minus 6x minus 24. So that's the equation of the derivative, and since we know that the slope is 0, we can set it equal to 0. 3x squared minus 6x minus 24, and then we just have to factor. So this eventually factors out into 3x minus 4 times x plus 2 equal to 0. So x is equal to 4 and x is equal to negative 2. Now all you have to do is plug both of these into the original equation right there. So you do f of 4 is equal to 4 cubed minus 3 times 4 squared minus 24 times 4 plus 1. And so when you simplify that, you get negative 79. So the first coordinate is 4, negative 79. Then you plug in negative 2, and it would be negative 2 cubed minus 3 times negative 2 squared minus 24 times negative 2 plus 1. Okay, so when you simplify that, you get 29. So the next coordinate is negative 2, 29. So it says P is to the left of Q. So this one is point P, and this one is point Q. Okay. Oops. What do I do?
I don't know if you can do that.
Oh, I think it said add. Okay, anyways. So, it said let n1 and n2 be the normals to the curve at P and Q respectively. So this is the tangent to P, and this is the tangent to Q. So the next part says write down the coordinates of the points where the tangent at P intersects n2 and the tangent at Q intersects n1. So we can draw an arbitrary drawing of the graph. So we had the points negative 2, 29, and 4, negative 79. So that's about here, and we'll say here. Like that. Okay, so there's their tangent, and this would be the normal. This would be n1 because this is point P. Okay. And then this is the normal, n2 for point Q. So we know that this point here is negative 229, and this point here is 4, negative 79. So for part I, we have to find where tangent P intersects n2. So that is, we have to find this point, which would be 429. And then for II, we have to find where tangent at Q intersects n1. So that would be here. So we know that would be negative 2, negative 79. So this was 429, and II would be negative 2, negative 79.